We will we will talk about weather today. I do have a previous episode about weather, but I really don't like it. I did it about a year ago, but it's not the best episode. So I'm gonna do a better one today. I hope it's a better one. Honestly, it gets me really anxious doing episodes because I have like about 40,000 people listening to me, and I receive a lot of emails. People follow, like, they like my episodes and they listen to them while driving and they're learning and stuff. So it just gets me, I'm very, very happy and thankful. But at the same time, I get anxious because I want to deliver my best. I want to do really good episodes. This is why sometimes it takes me too long. Like today, I've been sitting for almost 4 hours just to do the episode, or I do episodes. I'm doing about 4 or 5 at the same time. I'm not gonna post them all at the same time. Anyway, let's start. Before I start, check my shop on Etsy, Aralola, Aralola. There's like a Thanksgiving discount on Christmas t-shirts, Christmas sweaters. That is, the code is save now, one word, capital letters, save now. And also I have a lot of other things. I don't know what you like, what you want, so I'm just creating stuff from all over, like anything. It's all Arabic, by the way, all Arabic. This is the point. Everything, they have Arabic words or art, all Arabic. And I have a lot for Palestine, as well, so if you are interested. So yeah, and my email address is alaa.arabictutor@gmail.com. If you're looking for a tutor, I teach one-on-one. Send me an email and let me know. Yes, so let's start. The weather in Arabic is جو. Or there's another word is طقس. So you can go with either one. It's جو or طقس. Now, the 4 seasons: summer, صيف, fall, خريف, winter, شتاء, spring, ربيع. So I'm going to say them again: صيف, خريف, شتاء, ربيع. So these are the 4 seasons. Now we are on spring, right? We will do a small sentence in the end. We will learn how to say a small sentence about weather in the end. Anyway, so now it's fall, and sometimes it actually rains in Los Angeles, and I heard some other states and countries, they might have snow already. So rain is matar. Rain is matar. Cold is barid. And actually, for this word cold and hot, I'm going to do a special episode about it because it's a little confusing. The word cold, it's a little confusing, the word cold. Anyway, let's keep going. Snow, تلج. So we already have rain, matar, cold, barid, snow, تلج. Now sun, شمس, sunny. Basically, for sunny, we are adding the letter M to the word sun. So مشمس. So sun is شمس, sunny, مشمس. Hot, شوب. Now thunderstorms is رعد. We usually say رعد وبرق, which basically means thunderstorm and lightning. So thunderstorm is رعد. Lightning is برق. 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 So these are the words. So let's just practice like one small sentence. For example, I'm gonna say we are in the fall season. Morning at morning and night it's usually cold and it is nice during the day. So I'm gonna say this sentence. إحنا, which means we are or we. إحنا بالخريف. We are in the fall. N is the letter B. So إحنا بالخريف. الجو, the weather, بيكون is برد cold الصبح و بالليل the morning and the night الصبح و بالليل. I'm gonna do episodes for the times of the day. So الجو بيكون, the weather is صبح sorry the weather is cold morning and night. الجو برد الصبح وبالليل. و حلو beautiful حلو بالنهار during the day. Now I did not, this is a common mistake that people translate word by word English to Arabic. It doesn't work this way. You cannot translate word by word. So I'm going to now also I did say is. There is no is in Arabic. However, I use the word bikun. So this is something you also have to learn about because there's no is. Bikun, it doesn't mean like every time you see is, like my name is Ala, you're gonna say bikun. This is not how we use the word bikun, or which means is, in this sentence. We use it differently. It has a different function and purpose when we use it in a sentence. That's another reason we don't translate English to Arabic or any language to another language. You cannot translate. So I'm going to say the sentence again and we will finish. إحنا هلأ بالخريف. We are now in the fall. إحنا هلأ بالخريف. الجو برد. The weather is cold الصبح وبالليل. And it's hot during the day. بيكون شاب بالنهار. Now I'm going to make it very simple. I'm not going to add the extra words here and there. I'm going to make it very, very simple. إحنا بالخريف. We are in the fall. الجو برد بالليل. excuse me. الجو برد بالليل والصبح. The weather is cold night and morning. but الجو حلو بالنهار. The weather is beautiful during the day. I hope this was helpful. I hope you got it. Feel free to send me emails for any requests or questions. And thank you so much.